If you are waiting to be discovered, your music career is already in trouble. Not because you are untalented, not because you are lazy, and not because your music is bad, but because you were taught the wrong game. Most musicians are playing a game that no longer exists. They are waiting for attention, waiting for validation, waiting for someone in the industry to notice them. And while they wait, time keeps passing. Every single week, talented musicians quit. Not because they failed, but because nothing happened. They released music. They posted everywhere. They refreshed their stats. They waited. And when the results never came, they assumed the music wasn't good enough. That assumption is wrong. Here's the truth nobody explains clearly. The music industry does not reward talent first. It rewards momentum, consistency, and ownership. Discovery is not a strategy. It is a lottery ticket. And lottery tickets do not build careers. Real music careers are built on systems. Predictable systems. Repeatable systems. Systems you control. And there are only 3 that actually matter early on. If you skip one, the others break. Let's go through them. System number 1. Ownership. If you cannot reach your fans directly, you do not own an audience. You are renting attention. Streams disappear, algorithms change, platforms shift, rules get rewritten. But direct access stays powerful. Email lists, text lists, direct communication. That is leverage. System number 2, momentum. One song does not build trust. One viral video does not build stability. Consistency does. Showing up does. Releasing regularly does. Staying visible does. Not perfection. Not hype. Not waiting until everything is ready. Consistency. And system number 3 is what ties everything together. Direction. Attention without a next step is wasted effort. If people don't know what to do next, they disappear. Every post, every release, every video should move someone closer. Closer to you. Closer to your world. Closer to staying connected. This is why so many musicians feel stuck. Not because they lack talent, not because they lack passion, but because nobody showed them this structure. Once you stop waiting, you stop feeling powerless, you stop hoping, and you start building. Here's what to do today. Not tomorrow, not next month. Today. Pick one platform. Pick one audience. Pick one clear goal. Do not spread yourself thin. Build there. Focus there. Improve there. Ignore everything else. That is how real music careers start. Not with luck, not with discovery, not with permission. The industry is not broken. It is just different. And once you understand the rules, you stop chasing approval. You stop waiting to be chosen. And you start building something real, something sustainable, something that actually lasts. If this helped you see the music business more clearly, hit like and subscribe to keep up to date with more info. This channel exists to cut through the noise and give musicians real strategy, not hype. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.